So we're on Stagecoach 17612, a Dennis Trident with ALX 400 bodywork. It's going to Hyde Road Depot to be repainted into the original stripes livery, so come join on this journey. Vison, and we are now on the way to Hyde Road Depot. Trident is behind me right now, and let me just take you through what has been done to it so far. As you can see, the whole side has been sanded down, and there's brand new skirt panels down here. Over here, interestingly, you can see the original, like you see these colors here, that is where the original stripes livery was, which will make it easier when we repaint it back. This panel here, this thing is new, it's from a London bus actually. And a new hinge for, you know, the engine cover. Over here we see all new panels. And as well as, you see, everything's been sanded down as well. So yeah, that was just a little overview of the progress of the Trident, and in the next scene we're going to take you through the painting stage. You join me now inside the paint shop. Let's go outside and have a look. And here she is. Just look at that shine of that freshly applied white base coat. It's so clean, I love it. The all-new panels, as we discussed before, this is coming together really well. And look at that. The stripes are finally on. Look at that. Oh, it's so shiny. Well, it's not quite ready to be on the road yet, but we are getting towards the end of the restoration, as you can see. Just can't get over how good those stripes look. Once the final bits go on, this bus will be ready for the road and will be on the free shuttle services. Good morning everyone from the Museum of Transport. As you can see behind me, the Trident is being reversed into its place for the official launch ceremony that will take place today. We also have several visiting buses, one of which being this Unveiling 400 behind me. As you can see behind me, our second visiting bus is arriving. It's a 73 plate Unveiling 400, so it's essentially brand new.
Really pleased to be here today, welcoming the Trident into the museum collection. After all the superb work that's been done on it by Stagecoach Manchester, it really is a privilege to welcome it into the collection. It's a real milestone in passenger transport in the Manchester area.
Right, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed this journey as much as I have, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.